Okay, good morning, everybody. I'm going to be talking quickly about the outlook of the market, not just for today, but for the week entirely. If you look at a daily time frame, there's a strong sign of a bearish dollar this morning. However, we may be even seeing a stronger dollar in coming days, but at the moment, we are seeing a technical pattern that points out that dollar is likely to come around the golden ratio, which is the 50.0 and 61.8 Fibonacci level, respectively. Now, with that being said, this is a lot of pips. Price coming down to this level on daily time frame is a lot of pips, and we may be expecting that what price is going to push down on gold. Where how if price is pushing down on gold, we know how it is negatively correlated to asset like gold. If price is falling on dollar, it's going to be appreciating on gold. And that is why I took to check how price has been doing on the 4 hours time frame so far. Technically, you see that price has been struggling to break this particular resistance point. But this is the fourth count. The more the counts, the higher the chances that price is going to break this opportunity. Like I said, this is just like physics. The more the test expansivity, the more the test this the damage done to that particular resistance. So now, curiously, I went to 30 minutes time frame to see how price has been playing out around here. You can see that price is descending to the golden ratio like I talked about on dollar just about now. So I'm expecting that what price may push to the 50 and the 61.8 fib level. Am I going to be selling to that point? No, because this is a bullish market and price may not come to mitigate these fair value gaps in this region. However, what will I do? I'll wait for a buy opportunity. And how will I do that? If I spot that what, if you go to a lower time frame, you will notice that what we are seeing a lower high and a lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and what, a lower low. If I see that happen here and I see a change of character, yes, I'm going to be engaging in a buy till this previous high. Now, what does a change of character mean? For people that doesn't know about it, I'm not going to beat you around for that. What am I saying in a nutshell? When it stopped doing lower high and lower low and start doing a higher high and a higher low, at the first higher high, yes, engage in a buy to the peak of this asset. How about stocks? Interestingly, Nasdaq and S&P 500 is chasing a new high. Like I said, the best to do is to wait for price to come back to a liquidity zone. Now, for example, what am I saying here? Observe this with me. Price was pushing high. It came back to a fair value gap at this region. Take a look at this. It came back to a fair value gap at this region and did what? And did a push up to this level. So what am I expecting? Whenever price come back, I'll wait for an opportunity and attack the market. Thank you very much, everybody. I wish you all a profitable week. Bye now.